Hey folks, what's up? I was looking at this tweet from James where he showed the new Figma feature where you can create the patterns in Figma and I saw a lot of folks were asking, is it a plugin? How to do that? One of my colleagues also asked me. So let me show you real quick how to do that on Figma. I have this. Let me just create any rectangle over here. I have created a rectangle, and for that to reuse shapes you have to create shapes. For example, if I go to fill and in the third we have this feature called pattern. By default it will show you the dots, and I can select anything. For example, I have this, I can select this thing, I can scale it up and down. I can just move the axis, I can rearrange the direction also. Same, I can add more patterns. I have to just select this, then select source. I can create any source and I can create anything. If I want to create something mix of these two, I can just create anything and I can just group it. For example, I can group it and I can go to pattern again, select the source, see, and only things I have to do here is just tweaks. Yeah, I can also change the alignment here. I can scale in and out. I can change the axis also here. So it's super easy. Let me know. You can try and let me know how it works. Let's go.